Hello my dear students, I hope you all are good. Dear students, today we are going to start our Fitzroy book. So before starting it, I want to say something. I know you all know about the phonic sound, but we revise it again before starting the stories. So let's start. Yes, this is Fitzroy book part of 1. A for apple, A for apple, A for apple, A. A for arrow, A for arrow, A for arrow, A. A for ant, A for ant, A for ant, A. A for axe, A for axe, A for axe, A. यस इसमें आपने फुल माउथ ओपन करके स्पीक करना है. आई एम रिपीटिंग. A for apple, A for apple, A for apple, A. A for arrow, A for arrow, A for arrow, A. A for ant, A for ant, A for ant, A. A for axe, A for axe, A for axe, A. B for bird, B for bird, B for bird, B for bell, B for bell, B for bell, B for bed, B for bed, B for bed, B for butterfly, B for butterfly, B for butterfly, B. For cat, for cat, for cat. Yes, students, cat, not cat. This is cat. So all students listen to carefully. This is cat. I am repeating. K for cat, K for cat, K for cat, K for cup, K for cup, K for cup, K for car, K for car, K for car, K for camel, K for camel, K for camel, D. This is D. D for dog, D for dog, D for dog, D. D for duck, D for duck, D for duck, D. D for door, D for door, D for door, D. D for dragon, D for dragon, D for dragon, D. जैसे कि पहले आपने ए बोला, ए फॉर एप्पल, ए फॉर एप्पल और ए में हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज रहते हैं. तो ए को हम फुल माउथ ओपन करके स्पीक करेंगे ए, और ए को जब हम स्पीक करेंगे हाफ माउथ ओपन करेंगे ए. सो स्टूडेंट्स लिसन टू केयरफुली. ए फॉर एग, ए फॉर एग, ए फॉर एग, ए. F for elbow, F for elbow, F for elbow, A. F for elephant, F for elephant, F for elephant, A. F for eggs, F for eggs, F for eggs, A. For frog, for frog, for frog. For fish, for fish, for fish. For flower, for flower, for flower. For foot, for foot, for foot. Go. Go for goat, go for goat, go for goat, go. G for girl, G for girl, G for girl, G G G. G for gate, G for gate, G for gate, G G G. G for grapes, G for grapes, G for grapes, G G G. For house, for house, for house. H for hat, for hat, for hat. For hand, for hand, for hand. For horse, for horse, for horse. E. E for insect, E for insect, E for insect, E E E. E for ink, E for ink, E for ink, E E E. E for igloo, E for igloo, E for igloo, E E E. E for insects, E for insects, E for insects, E E E. J. J for jug, J for jug, J for jug, J J J. J for jacket, J for jacket, J for jacket, J J J. J for jar, J for jar, J for jar, J J J. J for jet, J for jet, J for jet, J J J. K. K for kite, K for kite, K for kite, K K K. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo, K K K. K for king, K for king, K for king, K K K. K for key, K for key, K for key, K K K. L for log, L for log, L for log, L for ladder, L for ladder, L for ladder, L for lamp, L for lamp, L for lamp, L for lion, L for lion, L for lion, for moon, for moon, for moon, for monkey, for monkey, for monkey, for mat, for mat, for mat, for mountain, for mountain, for mountain, for nest, for nest, for nest, for net, for net, for net, for needle, for needle, for needle, for nose, for nose, for nose, for nose, O for orange, O for orange, O for orange, O for octopus, O for octopus, O for octopus, O for octagon, O for octagon, O for octagon, O for orange, O for orange, O for orange, P. P for pencil, P for pencil, P for pencil, P. P for pen, P for pen, P for pen, P. P for penguin, P for penguin, P for penguin, P. P for pineapple, P for pineapple, P for pineapple, P.